Hello everybody, welcome to Joe's Kitchen. Today we are going to make Medu Vada. We are going to see how we can make a super soft Medu Vada, Ulundu Vada. Here we have whole urad dal and this is 1 cup of urad dal and a quarter cup of rice. We are using Sona Masuri rice. You can use any rice, even brown rice can be used. This whole urad dal can also be replaced with the split one if you would like to use that. You can use the same quantity. So what we are going to do is we take these two and soak it in water for how many hours?
4 hours.
4 hours. So before we grind, we have to soak these in water for 4 hours, and then we grind, add other stuff, make medu vada. After 4 hours, we are grinding the urad dal rice mixture. It is soaked well, and we are grinding it in the wet grinder. You can do it, and you can use mixie or blender to do this also, grind also, but it is better to use grinder. For vada you got to use less water, so it is always easy to make it in a grinder. And while grinding you can add a piece of ginger, small piece of ginger, and green chili, 2 green chili in the grinder itself, or you can chop it finely and add it later once the batter is ready. So it's going to take around 20 minutes to make this batter ready. After that we will add onion, cumin seed, everything, and make vada. It's going to take 20 minutes. After 20 minutes it will be fluffy and smooth, white, and ready to make vada after that. Now the vada batter is ready. It is thick. We added a little bit of water and 1 small piece of ginger, 2 green chilies are already added in the batter. Now we are going to mix onion and curry leaves, chopped curry leaves and chopped onion. For 1 cup of urad dal and quarter cup of rice, we are going to add about this size, like little large size, 1 onion and a bunch of curry leaves. So we are going to chop it and add to this. In addition to this, we are going to add ground black pepper 1 teaspoon and cumin 1 teaspoon. Like I said, we can add chopped ginger and chopped green chili at this time, but we already added. And like you see, it is so thick. To the batter, we are going to add coarsely ground cumin seed and black pepper. We have 1 teaspoon of cumin seed and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and with that we are going to add chopped onions, salt, curry leaves, and vada batter will be ready. So we add this onion. Some people, they don't add onion to the medu vada, but it adds taste, it makes it soft. If you want to try without onion, you can do the same thing, just skip onion. This is cumin seed and black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we have to mix it, and the vada batter is ready. Next thing is we have to put the oil, make the vada like donuts, and fry it, deep fry it. The secret is the batter should be thick. It is not like a idli batter, vada, dosa batter. It is thicker, much thicker than that. Now we have medu vada batter ready. It's mixed with chopped onion, curry leaves, It has ginger and green chili already, and we have ground black pepper and cumin. Now time to make vada. What we have here is we have little bit of water, and we add little turmeric into it. This will give color for the vada, and we are going to use a Ziploc bag. Generally, people use banana leaf for making the vada before putting it in the oil. Here we use a plastic paper. This will be useful to make the vada easily and put it in the oil. And we are going to use canola oil. You can use any oil. You can use sunflower oil, vegetable oil, or peanut oil. So we are going to deep fry it. So you add as much oil as required. So this has to be in medium heat, right?
Medium heat.
Medium heat. So we have vada batter and oil is getting ready. We will start making vada. Now the oil is hot. We are going to make vada. So we have turmeric water, vada batter, and polythene paper to make vada. So dip your hand in the water. Take a golf size, golf ball size batter. Shape it like a donut. You put a hole in the middle. That's the Medu Vada's shape. Polythene paper helps it. Then you drop it in the hot oil. See, the turmeric water gives nice color, golden color. You make it perfect round, you will get perfect shape. So after like 30 seconds, you have to flip the vada. And if you have enough oil, you don't need to, but it is better to flip the vada in the middle so you get consistent cooking color also. It takes 1 minute. The oil is in medium heat so that it will be cooked evenly inside also. Look at the color. Once the color is golden brown, the vada is ready. Now the vada is ready. It should be golden brown, and the turmeric water gives color also. And we are going to drop it on a kitchen cloth to take out the oil. Golden brown Medu Vada, crispy outside and soft inside. So once the oil is gone, you can put it on a plate, and it goes very well with coconut chutney. You can get the recipe with the link in the comment, in the description. If you see, it looks like donuts, small donuts. Enjoy. Thank you.